Safe and efficient use of your new Braun Ability NL500 public use lift begins with understanding how to operate the lift's automatic and manual features. The NL500 features powered lift controls that allow you to extend, lower, raise, and store the lift platform with the touch of a button. The rotating handrails and two-stage platform, however, must be deployed manually, regardless of whether the lift is powered or you are operating the lift manually. For your safety and that of your passenger, it's critical that operators understand and follow proper operating procedures each and every time the lift is used. It's also important to understand that only trained individuals should operate the lift. To deploy your NL500 lift, be sure that the vehicle is parked on a level surface and away from vehicular and foot traffic. Place the transmission in neutral. Engage the parking brake. Leave the engine running, and turn the wheelchair lift key switch located at the driver's left-hand controls to the on position. To remove the lift from its stow compartment, note first that proper removal will support smooth operation and help to prevent damage to the equipment. Begin by opening the lower lift door and securing it with the U-shaped door check provided. Next, remove the handheld pendant from its lift storage clip and press the power switch to the on position. A green light on the pendant control will indicate that the lift is receiving power, and the motion control functions will also be illuminated. Open the upper lift door and secure the upper door in the full open position by pressing lock on the rocker switch on the end of the door. Before attempting to remove the lift from the stowage compartment, notice that the handheld pendant control that is used to control lift position is equipped with 3 buttons to control motion, in addition to the 1 button used to switch power on or off. Stand clear of the lift area and press the up button to allow the lift to extend fully. Do not approach the lift until all motion has stopped. When the lift stops, the lift handrails and platform can be manually deployed. To deploy the handrails, simply lift the right handrail and rotate it out until it is perpendicular to the platform, and lower it into the locked position. Of course, the next step is to deploy the left handrail. Lift and rotate until it is perpendicular to the platform, and lower it into the locked position. Next, to manually deploy the platform, first note that a yellow platform latch locks the stowed platform in the vertical position. While supporting the platform with one hand, rotate the yellow platform latch up to the unlock position, then unfold the platform. Note that each handrail has a yellow platform support bracket and engagement pin. Be sure the platform engages these pins once deployed. Simply grasp the outer barrier and pull to extend the outer platform. A transition plate will lock the outer platform once it reaches the fully deployed position. Again, be sure that the platform engages both handrail support pins. With the lift fully deployed and secured, you can now move the lift at will. To raise the platform with a passenger, be sure to position your passenger in the center of the lift platform, within the yellow boundaries, in either the inboard or outboard position. Note that no more than 1 passenger should occupy the lift at a time. Next, engage wheelchair brakes, and turn off powered wheelchairs or scooters. Next, fasten the handrail belt, and direct the passenger to hold the handrails if possible. Then press the up button on the handheld pendant control. Notice as the platform rises, the spring-loaded outer barrier rotates from the ramp position to the vertical position. If the outer barrier is occupied in any way, or if it is not in the fully deployed position for any reason, the platform will rise approximately 3 inches and stop. Clear the outer barrier or ensure that it is allowed to fully deploy. Then press the up switch, and the platform will rise to vehicle floor level, at which point the inner roll stop will unfold to bridge the gap between the platform and the vehicle floor. To remove your passenger from the platform, re-engage powered wheelchairs or scooters. Disengage wheelchair brakes, and move the passenger into the vehicle compartment. Removing a passenger from the vehicle follows the same basic procedure. Once the platform has risen to vehicle floor height, the inner roll stop is fully deployed to bridge the gap between the vehicle and the platform, the outer barrier is fully raised, and all motion has stopped. Load your passenger onto the center of the platform. Engage wheelchair brakes. Turn powered chairs or scooters off, and direct your passenger to hold the handrails if possible. Then simply press the down button on the handheld pendant control. Once the platform reaches the ground, the outer barrier is fully deployed to smooth the transition between the platform and the ground, and all motion has stopped. Unlatch the handrail belt. Disengage wheelchair brakes, and direct your passenger off of the platform, being sure that the area is clear of all vehicular and pedestrian traffic. To stow the lift platform, regardless of whether it is in the raised or lowered position, simply press the stow switch on the handheld pendant control, and the platform will move to stow level and stop automatically. Once all motion has stopped, use the platform folding strap to lift the center of the platform transition plate and push the outer platform in fully. Then manually fold the platform to its vertical storage position, and while supporting the platform with one hand, rotate the yellow platform latch to the unlock position. Push the platform in, and then rotate the yellow platform latch to the lock position. To stow the handrails, simply lift the left handrail and rotate it until it is parallel to the platform, and lower it into the locked position. Then lift the right handrail and rotate it in until it is parallel to the platform, and lower it into the locked position. And press the stow switch on the handheld pendant control again until the lift retracts fully. When all motion stops, simply close the upper door by pressing Unlock on the rocker switch on the end of the door. Next, press the Power Off switch on the handheld pendant control. And finally, remove the U-shaped door check and return it to its storage bracket. Close the door and turn the wheelchair lift key switch, located on the driver's left-hand console, to the off position to help prevent unwanted activation of the lift. In the unlikely event of vehicle power failure, the NL500 can be operated manually to safely remove passengers from the vehicle. Manual controls are located in the engine compartment. While lift platform and handrail deployment is already performed manually, a loss of power will prevent automated removal of the lift from the stow compartment. So it's important to understand the manual procedures for removing the lift from the compartment. As with automated removal, begin by opening the lower lift door and securing it with the U-shaped door check provided. Then open the upper lift door and secure the upper door in the full open position by pressing Lock on the rocker switch on the end of the door. To deploy the lift, push the out valve and turn the knob to the manual position. Next, remove the lock pin from the pump handle Then stroke the hand pump handle until the lift extends fully and stops. Then push the out valve once again and turn it to the power position. To raise the platform to vehicle floor level, in order to manually remove a passenger from the vehicle, push the up valve on the control panel and turn the knob to manual. Next, stroke the hand pump until the platform reaches the vehicle floor height, and the inner roll stop moves to the horizontal position, while the outer barrier remains in the vertical position. Then push the up valve and turn it to power. Follow the same procedure used to secure a passenger on the platform under powered operation. Then, to lower the passenger and platform to ground level, push the down valve and turn the knob to manual, and the platform will slowly lower to the ground. Again, notice that the inner roll stop will move to the vertical position as the platform lowers, while the spring-loaded outer barrier will automatically deploy to allow your passenger to move off of the platform when the lift reaches ground level. To be sure the lift is ready when you return to powered operation, be sure to push the down valve and return to power at this point. To stow the platform using the manual controls, follow the same manual procedures to fold the platform and handrails. Then, using the manual controls, move the platform to the storage level by aligning the stow level decals. However, to move the platform into the storage compartment, first push the in valve on the manual controls and turn the knob to manual. Then stroke the hand pump until the lift retracts fully into the stowed position and all motion stops. Be sure to push the in valve and return to power. Then push the handle inward all the way and reinstall the locking pin. Next, secure the upper and lower lift doors and cut power at the wheelchair lift key switch on the driver's left-hand console to help prevent unwanted activation of the lift. Proper maintenance of your NL500 is essential to help ensure safe and smooth operation of your lift. To that end, inspections for wear and tear or damage should be conducted on a daily basis. If problems are detected, the lift should not be used until repair or replacement of damaged parts can be performed. While basic inspections, cleaning, and maintenance can be conducted by vehicle service personnel, the maintenance and lubrications procedures to be performed at specified cycles must be performed by a Braun authorized service representative. Each NL500 series lift has a digital display built into the electronic control board that will help operators monitor the number of cycles performed and alert maintenance personnel to the need for scheduled service. A list of detailed services to be performed at specified cycles is included in your user's manual. However, these cyclical maintenance procedures are a general guideline. Service should be based on actual lift use, environmental conditions, and signs of wear and tear or damage. If operators detect signs of accelerated wear or damage, discontinue lift use immediately and contact your Braun representative to locate an authorized service technician. A commitment to following proper installation, operation, and maintenance procedures will help to ensure that your Braun NL500 public use lift delivers years of reliable service. However, if you have questions about specified procedures or would like more detailed information, be sure to review your user's manual or contact your Braun representative for assistance.